What's up guys, today I brought to you crispy and spicy chicken 65. Chicken 65 is made in many versions. I'm showing you a classic version. It is simple but delicious. Let's start. Here I have taken 1 kg of boneless chicken. Add salt to taste. And 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 tablespoon of normal chili powder, 3 green chili crushed, but if you have paste, you can use it, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 large pinch of pepper powder, 2 strands of curry leaves finely chopped, and half teaspoon of garam masala, 1/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon of curd. Mix well. Masala is well coated on chicken. Marinated masala should be thick. It should not have a runny consistency. Close the lid and keep it for 1 hour or overnight. After 1 hour of marination, now add 5 tablespoons of corn flour and 3 tablespoons of rice flour. This will give you the crunch which you get in restaurant. When you're making for the first time, add corn flour and rice flour gradually. If needed, add salt. The chicken 65 marination should look like this. It should be well coated and dry, no runny consistency. I kept the pan with oil to fry the chicken. From that I have taken 1.5 tablespoon of hot oil and mix it well. The oil should be hot while you add the chicken marination. I kept the flame in high. When you add the chicken, the temperature of the oil will reduce. Chicken is cooked well and it has a good color without adding any artificial color. Check this oil. If your marination is thick, there will be no crumbs after frying. In a last step, I have taken 8 garlic cloves chopped, 2 strands of curry leaves and 6 green chilli. And here I am taking 2 tablespoons of oil. Add chopped garlic, curry leaves and green chilli and saute it till the garlic become light brown color. Now add fried chicken 65 and add 2 pinch of pepper powder and toss it all together. I do make South Indian and North Indian dishes and baking. If you like, please check my channel.